Isa ka rin bang fur mommy at daddy? Worried ka rin ba kung sino ang mag-aalaga sa inyong fur baby sa tuwing aalis ka for vacation? Ating puntahan ang kauna-unahang pet lodge in a resort sa Batangas na itinuturing din na guest ang ating mga alagang dogs and cats. Narito ang ating Balitang Good Vibes. Talagang panahon na ng tag-init. Lahat tayo gumagawa ng pamamaraan upang ibsan ang init na nararamdaman. At habang abala tayo sa pagpapagaan ng pakiramdam, sa pag-swimming at iba pang hotel accommodations, paano naman kaya ang ating mga fur babies? Ating puntahan ang Matabungkay Beach Hotel sa bayan ng Lian, Batangas at ating silipin ang kanilang bagong bukas na pet lodge para sa ating mga fur babies na deserve din na maka-experience ng malahotel na tuluyan. Kasabay ng pagluluwag ng mga restrictions sa mga pasyalan, hotel at resort, marami na ang nagpaplano ng kanilang bakasyon lalo na ngayong papalapit na ang dry season. Ang Matabungkay Beach Hotel ay may malawak at magandang pasilidad na perfect para sa mga special occasions para makapaglibang at makapag-relax. Makikita rito ang malinis na dagat at natural na tanawin. Mayroong swimming pools, outdoor mega-sized chessboard, water sports, floating bamboo rafts, island adventure at marami pang iba. Mula sa pagpasok ay sasalubungin ka na ng magigiliw na staff ng resort. Isa ito sa katangian at dahilan kung bakit binabalik-balikan ito ng mga local at foreign tourists. Isa rin sa ma-enjoy dito ay ang kanilang alfresco beach barbecue.
It is not something new, but it is something we initiated with the Vice President. So we're trying to come up with an activity, maybe it is a start of post-pandemic, maybe we can say that, no? So we are trying to create a concept wherein people would like to bring back the old joy of the past and creating some kind of an activity where people can enjoy. People are eager to enjoy nature, with their families. So we thought of doing barbecue by the seaside. So that's how it is, no? So we plan to do this all throughout the year, every weekend. Should we decide to do it every single day, if the business permits, then we will continue doing it.
Sinisiguro rin ng hotel management na naipatutupad pa rin ang health and safety protocols.
Well, of course, we wanted, like you see, we want all the people on the buffet line. We don't want the guests to, hold the serving G's. So it is a managed buffet. So everybody is, I should say, safe in what sense, and they wear face mask and face shield. So that we have to maintain the protocol yet until they say no more.
Pero syempre, bukod sa ating mga kaibigan at pamilya na kasama sa bakasyon, hindi rin natin matitiis na iwan ang ating mga fur babies. Kaya naman naisipan ng Matabungkay Beach Hotel na itayo ang kauna-unahang pet lodge in a resort sa Batangas para habang nag-e-enjoy ang buong family, safe at enjoy rin ang ating mga pets.
Well, I noticed especially during the pandemic, that a lot of pet owners felt that they also needed a place to bring their pets, just like the kids na masyadong nakup-kup sa bahay, naaaburido na rin yung mga pets. So I decided to put this up so that pet owners or fur parents can bring their pets or fur babies here in the resort. So while they enjoy their vacation, their pets can do so as well. And they can bring their pets out to see, swim, and just walk around our big grounds.
Sinisiguro rin nila na well-trained ang kanilang staff na mag-aalaga at mag-aasikaso sa ating mga pets 24/7.
Yeah, that's why I hired someone who is marunong talaga mag-handle ng animals. So far, we haven't had naman any complaints about how we take care of the pets. But also, it's nice that they're here in the resort together with their pets. Unlike, di ba, when you go on a vacation to somewhere out of town, what you do is you leave your pets in a pet hotel in Manila. So, you're not with them. Hindi mo naaalagaan mismo. But here, you can come inside the pet hotel and take out your pet anytime you want, or ikaw mismo ang magpakain or magpa-administer ng vitamins and medicines niya.
Meron silang playground at iba't ibang activities para sa mga dogs and cats. Kaya naman, kahit ilang araw ang inyong bakasyon, wala nang magiging worries sa inyong mga fur babies dahil from time to time ay pwede silang puntahan sa pet lodge sa loob mismo ng resort.
Because the owners are here for a vacation, usually overnight or 2 nights. So kung gaano katagal yung owners sa kanilang kwarto, sa stay nila dito sa resort namin sa Matabungkay Beach Hotel, then ganun din katagal yung pet nila sa pet lodge. So it's like they're our guest also here in the pet lodge. Kasi not all guests naman of our resort are pet owners. So, just to be fair, we did not allow pets inside our hotel rooms. So, now that we have our pet lodge, then now they can bring their pets because there's a separate accommodation for their dogs or cats.
Kaya naman sa mga fur mommies at daddies, isama na sa inyong bucket list ang Matabungkay Beach Hotel. Para happy ang family, happy rin ang fur babies. Para sa EuroTV News, ako si Jel Miranda para sa Balitang Good Vibes.